Hey guys, Tom here for Walt Disney Planet. I am checking out Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park. This is right next door to Disney's Winter Summerland Miniature Golf, and it's right down the street from Disney's Animal Kingdom Park. So I'm going to be checking this place out, going on some slides, lazy river, wave pool, all sorts of good stuff to check out. It's heated water, 80 degrees, so it'll be fun. So come along, let's go. The Beach House is the main gift shop for Blizzard Beach. This looks like an alligator got a little too excited going down the slopes and he crashed through the wall. I'm gonna take a quick look inside. Now, being we're at a water park, this is a place you can come and get towels or shirts and hats, swimwear, water shirts. They got water shoes here. On hot days, you can actually burn your feet. I've done that before, not here, but at other places. Get assorted hats. Other place you can get assorted snacks. Like I said, beach towels. You can make your mini beach towel. Sand toys. As I stated, there's little areas that have sand you could play in. More shirts and hats. And I said more flip-flops. There's the water shoes. More towels. There's all of our snacks over here. Water cups. Goggles. Little swimmers for the little ones. Other toys. Also spots you can get, not just here, but also around the park. You can get skincare products, mainly to help protect your skin from the sun. Got some lovely lollipops. Yeah, sunblock over there. Yeah, see, she's modeling for me. Other charms and pins. And look what I found! The Blizzard Beach trading pin. My newest pin to add to my collection. Alright. Alright, it's the map of Blizzard Beach. I'm gonna check out some of this stuff. Alright, the main mountain here is split into 3 groups: green slope, purple slope, and red slope. You can opt to walk up the stairs, or you can take one of the ski lifts up to the top of the mountain. There's gonna be a bar. Alright, right into the top. Get a lovely view. It's a one-way trip on this. This is the tallest slope, one right here in the park. The top looks like it's going to go off a jump, go right below it. Story of this place is this is basically a melting ski resort. Freak snowstorm in Florida. So they decided to build a ski resort. As you know, Florida is usually hot, so snow doesn't last very long. So it was transformed into a water park. Going up the steep part now. See the stairs if you want to walk up. Once you get to the top, you get to choose which part you want to go to. Alright, the whole mountain's called Mount Gushmore. So I'm going to go over to this area first. Teamboat Springs. First thing. Woo-hoo. Oh my gosh, that's cold. That's a bit cold. Woo-hoo. Wow. Wow.
Oh, this is nothing.
Here we go. Whoa. Whoa! Wow! Sorry, about to lose my hat. Oh! Oh Lord! Oh! Wow! That was fun. Into the rapids. Looks like this is our exit area. Got some melting snow. Oh wow, that was cold. Hidden Mickey, right there. Gonna be checking out Cross Country Creek. This goes all the way around the outside perimeter of the park. That's got to try and get a tube. Alright. I am on it now. Just slower moving a little bit. Let's see if I can get it going this way. Alright. This is the lazy river. Here we go. Now I've got some little momentum. Oh yeah. Got some water getting coming down on me. Whee! Here we go. Woo! Oh, that was nice. Nice and refreshing. How you doing? Nice and refreshing. Nice and refreshing. It's supposed to be melting ice. It's supposed to be melting ice. Oh, melting snow right here. That's what this part is. Melting snow. Melting snow. Oh boy, here we go again. Woo, that is cold. Oh my god, that is really, really cold. Oh wow, that is a chilly, chilly water right there. It's spilling down. It's supposed to be melting snow, so obviously it's going to be really, really cold. Regular water is 80 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. But all this water coming down is ice cold. Or snow cold, I should say. Because it's supposed to be melting snow. Oh, I'm going to go right underneath it. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, wow. That is chilly. Hello. That's some chilly water. So I'm going to ride this around. Ugh. Get a little too close to the shrubbery. A little too close to the shrubbery. Now this is one of 2 water parks at Walt Disney World property. This is the 3rd water park built. Got reindeer landing. Hope the reindeer doesn't land on me. Skip ahead a little bit. See some of their other slides they got around. Going underneath a bridge. Hopefully we don't see any trolls. But I see some more splashy stuff coming up. More splashies. Disney's other operating water park, Typhoon Lagoon, is closed right now for maintenance. That is standard maintenance that they do. Make any repairs, upgrades. Of course, you most likely got to sanitize the place. We got more splashies. Blizzard Beach opened in 1996. As I stated earlier, there are 3 different routes you could take for slides. Some require a tube, others are simply your body. There are racing slopes, there's single rider slopes and slides. This is the lazy river. Then there is a large wave pool. Got some lovely rock formations. There's the jets that make you go, coming up. Give us a little push along, maybe. There we go. See, now you got a little push. Lots of cool rocks. Cool rocks and plants to look at. Nice and comfy. Got various seating areas to sit down, have a meal. This is where Ice Skater lives, apparently. Ice Skater is the mascot. He's a blue alligator. Blue alligator. It's got some fruits and veggies over there, I guess. It's got socks and gloves hung up. Not, wow. They're not, God, that's cold too. Got his skis. Ice Skater. More slashies come out. Well, I'm going like really slow. Trying to get going. Yeah, Ice Skater. Oh, I see. You hear him sneeze in there. Wow. Yeah, he sneezes. And the water shoots at the top. Ah! See, right there. See? Just got all wet. Various entrance and exit points along the lazy river. So you want to get out, go to a different area. You're not stuck inside this thing the entire time. It's one of the water jets in the water. Help propel the people down. Keep the momentum going. Of course, I've had to paddle numerous times because the water gets a little too lazy. In other words, it's not moving at all. Alright, well, I am back around, completed the loop. Because I see where I got on. So I am going to exit my tube, hand it off to somebody else, and I'm going to go up on one of the other slides. Got numerous little sandy areas around with lounge chairs, catch some sun, relax a little bit, get out of the water, dry out, because if you spend the day in the water you turn into a prune. So we're getting towards the red slope and the purple slope, right across the bridge. Alright, I was informed that Runaway Rapids, or Runoff Rapids, I'm sorry, which is the red slope, is closed for scheduled maintenance, so I will not be able to go on this, unfortunately. I was looking forward to a little enclosed slide but there's still more to do. So I guess I'm going into Purple Slope, downhill double dipper, snowstormers, and toboggan racers. Let's go see. It's one of the racing slopes on the tubes. We're gonna do snowstormers first. And there's toboggan racers. See all the skis everywhere and ski poles. Going downhill in just a moment. Got my slope pad. Alright, here we go. Wow. Alright, here we go. Oh, oh my lord. Woo! 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 Man, this is wet. Oh lordy. Woo! This is wet. Oh lordy. Oh lord. Oh lord. Alright. That was the ride. Woohoo! We're gonna do downhill double dipper. This is one of the slides that is sadly not open. This is from the red slope. How much fun that would look being on. Oh well. And the mega pipes taking the water to the top. Gotta pump the water up the hills. And we are almost to the top for this. Alright. Going down in just a second. Woohoo! Here we go! Woo! Woo! Yeah, baby! Oh! Woo! What do you do about tubes? Oh, take my tube. Alright. Alright, that was it. Nice big splash at the end. Oh, wow. That was fun. It's worth the wait. Gotta get my tube in there. The tube return. That's why I just came down. Meltaway Bay is the wave pool. Get a nice view of the huge wave pool they have here. I'll be going in this a little bit later. Gonna check out some slides now. But this thing holds a lot of people. Alright, the time has come for me to go into the wave pool. Gonna brave the rapids or the waves. This water's actually nice and warm, which is nice for a change. That water in that last tube ride, man, was pretty chilly. Gonna move a little closer to the rapids. Woo! Woo! That wave snuck up on me. See, some people like to be on the tubes, other people like to be not on the tube. Nice place to go and relax in the water. Ugh. Not sure the intervals for the waves. Wow. Some good waves going now. Woohoo! I think this area is where the actual wave machine is. Yep. The closer I get to this, the higher the waves are. Not very deep. Probably about 4.5 to 5 foot deep, maybe, where I'm at. You just gotta bounce up with the waves. Whew. I didn't bounce right. Ugh. So this is the wave pool, guys. Nothing like a nice refreshing dip in the water. It's not really a hot day, but it is Florida, even for February, which is the date I'm filming this right now. The other water park, Typhoon Lagoon, reopens from scheduled maintenance mid next month. So at that point I'll check that park out. And just in case the waves aren't good enough for you, you got a waterfall here you can stand underneath. Want to try it? Alright, here you go. See how much fun that was? Kind of cold though, isn't it? Then we got our ever-present lifeguards on duty to keep everybody safe. That is the utmost importance. There are life jackets available for people that do not swim very well, or even those that can't swim at all. Alright, I think it's lunchtime, so I'm going to go back to my locker, get my wallet for my money, and get something to eat. Cool little characters taking a picture of their daughter Button. But it looks like his camera's waterlogged, or they're melting. See, snow people, even poor snow people are melting in the Florida heat. The Latawada Lodge. This is the food court. I'll be going up here to get my lunch. Just a moment. Tykes Peak is for younger kids. I'm gonna go check that out real quick. It's a water play area for the little ones, for kids 4 foot and under. A lot of places just have water gushers. They have several slides for little ones. Shallow water play area. Plenty of place to get splashed with water. All look like little igloos and snow people. Of course, everything's melting from the Florida heat. Alright, I'm going to go for one of these long slides. Plummet Summit is the really, really tall one, and then Slusher Gusher is the next tall one. So I figured I'll go for Plummet or Summit Plummet. Close to the top. It's another nice view of the chairlift. Taking you all the way up to the top of Mount Gushmore. Alright, I'm going next. Here we go! Patrol training camp. I'm doing Cool Runners next. That's this little slides over here. Ride your tube down. There's 3 tubes. Alright. Alright, here's that. Here I go. Woohoo! Alright, here we go. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Man! Whee! Oh! Ah! That it's a little climbing area. Kids can climb across floating ice. Got Icy Expeditions. Looks like a snowplow. But they sell ice cream. Last few looks. The main mountain, Mount Gushmore.